Welcome to Geojit Spotlight. The passenger vehicle segment reported their highest ever dispatch to dealers, enabling the domestic passenger vehicle segment to log its best ever performance to date. Maruti Suzuki reported its highest ever wholesale to date at 19.6 lakhs units, up 19% from 16.5 lakh units in 21-22. Tata Motors and Mahindra reported best sales of 5.4 and 3.5 lakh units, up 45% and 59% respectively. Overall, industry sales volume grew by 27% to 38.8 lakh units in 2022-23. And the industry sales are expected to rise to 40.5 to 41 lakh units in the current fiscal year, expecting 5 to 7% growth. Due to the declining pent-up demand and higher inventory at the retail side, it is likely to restrict the wholesale number for short term. Despite 19% domestic growth in FY23 and for two-wheelers, sales volume in the segment trails pre-COVID numbers by 9%. Domestic sales volume for two-wheelers in FY23 was 15.9 million, which was higher than the sales volume of 13.5 million in FY22. But this was a far cry from the 17.4 million units sold in FY19-20 and trailing the industry's highest ever volume of 21 millions in 2018-19. The implementation of regulatory requirements surrounding safety and emission to BS6 norms and passing on of commodity price inflation may lead to substantial rise in the price of products. For example, the price of scooter has shot up by nearly 35 to 40% from the March 2020. This has hit the demand from the rural market. The price hike is even higher for motorcycle, which was further dented demand in rural markets. Two-wheeler sales were also impacted by a 17% decline in overall export sales due to a weak global market. Bajaj, which has a lion's share in the two-wheeler export, has reported a 27% decline for the full year. Choice for premiumization in the consumer behavior, Eicher Motor reported 45% YOY growth. The industry's growth in the scooter and motorcycle segment was 26% and 4% respectively. We maintain our neutral stance for the sector and expect the current growth trend to continue at 10%, thanks to improving sentiments at ground level. With the budget outlining an increase in capital expenditure for infrastructure activities, commercial vehicles should continue to do well. Full year sales for medium and heavy commercial vehicle for Tata and Ashok Leyland are 38% and 76% year on year. However, lower than expected macro indicators and the slow pace of execution by the infra companies are delaying the full benefit in the category. We are maintaining positive rating for the segment with a good start to the year and a promising Rabi crop outlook supported by a conducive soil and the government's interest. It bodes well for the tractor companies in the coming months too. Hence, we are maintaining a positive stance for the industry. We have a positive stance on Eicher Motors due to the growth in the premium segment less than 350cc with supporting valuation. Our target price for Eicher Motor is 4109. Secondly, and Mahindra, due to the consistent improvement in the margin and strong volume growth, we have a target price of 1512. And finally, Minda, due to increase in content per vehicle and upgradation in the BS6 norms, we have a target price of 586. Thank you.